Let's talk about forgiveness. Forgiveness is a part of the emotional package of being a human. But I want to caution people who have a trauma history or have been through something really difficult in your life. We can't jump in and forgive until we fully understand the thing we're forgiving. And when you get ready to forgive, please remember that the first person to forgive is yourself. We all hold ourselves accountable and we hold ourselves to rigorous and really irrational standards. We judge ourselves. We say, oh, maybe it was my fault. Maybe there's something I could have done differently. But if you were a victim, if you suffered, if a tragedy happened in your life, you must forgive yourself first and stop holding on to thoughts that are putting yourself down and causing you to question whether you were at fault. When you're ready, forgive yourself first, and please be sure to fully understand the extent to which you were harmed or marginalized. And when you can fully understand and embrace what happened, then there may be a day that you're ready to engage in forgiveness. But until you do all the other work, forgiveness is not something to be tossed around lightly. The human spirit needs to heal first. Please like, comment, follow, and share. Learn more at orchardhumanservices.org.
The new National Suicide Prevention Hotline has been launched. Dial 988 for suicide prevention support. Please share this critical information with others.